Bitcoin trades above $61,000, Ether stays below $3,000. Coinbase resumes operations after 3-hour outage. Bitcoin runes protocol sees traction waning after much hyped introduction. Indian crypto exchange CoinDCX DeFi arm Octo to launch blockchain and OKTO token. US blocks China-tied crypto miners as national security risk near nuke base. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VD markets traded mixed as investors await key inflation data and a number of Federal Reserve speeches which could indicate the direction of monetary policy going forward. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, traded down near $61,000 levels. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.57% at 77,062 points. US stock index futures traded largely unchanged Tuesday as investors cautiously awaited the release of key inflation readings that could influence future Federal Reserve monetary policy. Well, Dow Jones futures were up 12 points, while S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures traded largely unchanged. Investors are focusing squarely on the producer price index later in the session and the more closely watched consumer price index on Wednesday for clues over when the Fed thinks it prudent to start cutting interest rates to boost the economy. Furthermore, Bitcoin has been leading the crypto market rally since September 2023, increasing from 40% in 2022 to over 50% by May 2024. This surge is largely due to the approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs in the US, driving increased trading volume on platforms like Bybit. Bitcoin's popularity is fueling interest in Layer 2 solutions, which aim to enhance Bitcoin scalability and functionality for faster and cheaper transactions. BTC L2.info reported that there are 74 Bitcoin Layer 2 solutions with significant growth in the past 2 quarters. Speaking of the regulatory aspect, a dramatic change in the nation's digital currency scene has occurred with the approval of a pilot program for a stablecoin-backed Philippine peso by the Bangko Sentral Filipinas. In trial program, the central bank and cryptocurrency wallet provider Coins.ph will work together within the BSP's regulatory sandbox. Well, here the primary objective is to assess the real-world performance of PHPC and its potential impact on the local fiat ecosystem. Coins.ph will maintain cash reserves equivalent to the circulating supply of PHPC, ensuring a stable 1:1 pegging of the digital currency to the Philippine peso. El Salvador, the first country to make Bitcoin a legal tender, has continued to accumulate the pioneer cryptocurrency. In the past 7 days, the country has accumulated 7 BTC worth $429,072 and 30 BTC equivalent to approximately $1.84 million. Following recent accumulations, the nation's Bitcoin holdings rose to 5,747 BTC, equivalent to over $352.3 million. The country's Bitcoin office portal provides real-time information on transaction details on the Bitcoin blockchain, including miners' rewards and transaction fees. Tether, the world's largest stablecoin issuer, has frozen $5.2 million of its stablecoin Tether linked to phishing scams on May 14. The funds were stored in 12 Ethereum wallets labeled as USDT banned address. On-chain analytics firm Slowmist chief security officer claimed the addresses were used for laundering funds from phishing scams. Tether has blocked over $1.3 billion since its launch, with $1.3 billion since its launch and with $1.6 million related to terrorist financing. Since late 2022, Tether has froze over $360 million in assets, including over $150 million in Jan 2022, $8.2 million in October 2022, and 215 Ethereum-based addresses. While Bitcoin was trading at $61,600, up by 1.5%. Talking about Ethereum, the second largest crypto, it was down by 2.3%, trading at $2,903. Next on the list is Binance's BNB token. It was down by 1.6% to trade at $585. Talking about Solana Sol token, it was up by 0.68% and was trading at $146. Cardano's ADA token was down by 3% to trade at $0.43. Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $32.7, down by 1.94%. Polygon's Matic was trading down by 0.5% to trade at $0.67. Talking about Doge, the popular meme coin, it was trading down by 3% at $0.14. Next on the list, Shiba Inu was trading down by 6%, while Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.43, up by 0.2%, and Polkadot was down by 1.6% to trade at $6.7.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Crypto exchange Coinbase is back online after a 3-hour outage that began at 4:15 a.m. UTC. The exchange returned to use at 7:42 UTC, according to its status page. Website visitors had received a 503 service temporarily unavailable message beforehand. The exchange noted the outage in a post on X, saying it was investigating the issue and working on a solution. Your funds are safe, it posted. A spokesperson for Coinbase said that company didn't have anything to add. According to the status page, some users may still experience failure when sending crypto or withdrawing fiat, marking the service as degraded. Coinbase shares are down 1.7% in pre-market trading. The price of Bitcoin appears to be unaffected by the issue and is trading around $61,900, according to CoinDesk indices data, down less than 1% in 24 hours. Activity on the Bitcoin Runes protocol has slowed over the past week, a sign it has failed to generate meaningful traction among users despite a stellar start last month. Runes takes the Ordinals protocol a step further by making transactions even cheaper and faster. Ordinals are a way to embed data into the Bitcoin blockchain by inscribing references to digital art into small Bitcoin-based transactions. The much-hyped Runes went live after Bitcoin's fourth halving on April 20th. Data tracked on Dune Analytics shows that in its first 10 days, the protocol racked up more than 85,000 token issuances and generated over $3 million in fees. In the past 2 weeks, however, all the metrics including fees, new runes and user activity have dropped more than 50%. Only some 5,000 new runes have been issued since May 1st, generating just under $100,000 in fees. Indian crypto exchange CoinDCX has expanded what started as the Octo wallet into an Octo ecosystem, which will include launching a blockchain, a token and a points program starting Tuesday. The aim is to give global users a single-click mobile experience while traversing the Web3 space, into co-founders Neeraj Khandelwal and Sumit Gupta told CoinDesk in an interview. The objective of Octo's points program is to bootstrap the launch of the Octo blockchain, which will happen later in 2024. That's also when the launch of the OKTO token to power that chain will occur. The points program will reward users for their on-chain transactions, and those trading elsewhere can earn bonus points by moving assets to the Octo wallet. As much as 7% of the OKTO token will be airdropped to early users. President Joe Biden ordered a cryptocurrency mining facility near Warren Air Force Base in Wyoming to halt operations on Monday, calling it a threat to national security. The White House order said the British Virgin Islands company behind Mine One, which is majority owned by Chinese nationals, must remove all the improvements and mining equipments on the property located within a mile of the military facility in Cheyenne, a base that houses Minuteman III nuclear missiles. The company, which bought the property in 2022, was accused of acquiring the land and starting work there without filing with the Committee on Foreign Investment in the United States. And a tip started an investigation into the acquisition, according to the White House. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Notcoin. Notcoin is set to launch on the Telegram wallet app on May 16th, offering convenience and versatility for users. Users can now purchase and sell the cryptocurrency on the P2P market, exchange it for other cryptocurrencies and send it to Telegram contacts. The Not token can also be used for payments within wallet app. Users can then claim Not tokens in the Notcoin app, but they will need to verify their identity to avoid fraud. This collaboration benefits both Notcoin and the wallet app, allowing Wallet to expand its digital asset offerings and leverage Telegram's user base. Next on the list, we have Chainlink. Chainlink, a leading data source for high-speed trading environment, government is expanding its influence by connecting more blockchains and projects. It has added new connections for services and projects on 6 major blockchains, including DeFi and fintech hubs, 2 new tokenized Web3 games, and communicates directly with developers. Chainlink Labs, a development company, is expanding its team with new hires, showing a bullish trend for crypto builders. Chainlink offers scalable solutions for new tokenization, automating decisions in expanding crypto infrastructure and solving gas fees by selecting optimal transaction conditions. Chainlink Labs is among the top 10 most active projects on GitHub. Next on the list, we have GameStop. A single image on Monday sparked rallies across cat-themed meme coins and a GameStop stock, as market cults heralded the return of retail trader Keith Gill's profile, the Roaring Kitty. Keith posted a meme referring to a period of locking in, a colloquial term for intense focus on concentration. Users on X and Reddit considered this image as a sign to lock into trading markets. GME prices were up high as 44% in pre-market trading, while cinema chain AMC Entertainment Holdings was up 12%. Unaffiliated GameStop meme coins on the Solana blockchain surged more than 550%, while AMC tokens jumped 1,200%. Next on the list, we have BounceBit. BounceBit has seen a 90% price rally following major listing and mainnet launch announcements. Binance, a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform, has extended support for BounceBit, boosting investor confidence. BounceBit is now available on various platforms, including Simple Earn, Buy Crypto, Convert, Margin Futures, and Auto Invest, providing users with unprecedented accessibility and flexibility in managing digital assets. Binance's listing on Simple Earn simplifies the acquisition process and allows users to trade BounceBit against Bitcoin, USDT, and other tokens supported by Binance Convert at zero fees. The multi-assets mode feature enhances flexibility by allowing users to trade BounceBit USDT perpetual contract across multiple margin assets. BounceBit celebrates its mainnet launch after a successful water margin TVL event. Next on the list, we have Solana. On May 13th, 23 million Solana tokens were sent to undisclosed wallets, with the first transaction worth $1.58 billion. And the second transaction, believed to be the same participants, sent another 11 million tokens valued around the same price to another wallet. 3 hours later, another large transaction occurred with 1 million Solana. AMB Crypto noticed that none of the transactions went into exchanges, causing 6.16% decrease in Solana's price in 24 hours. Solana's on-chain volume increased from $1.4 billion to $1.4 billion, suggesting a potential fall in the price. If the volume hits new peaks, the price could attempt to reach $155. However, interest did not seem large enough to confirm the bump into the overheard resistance. So Solana might not be able to surge higher than $155 in the short term, analysts believe.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code.